Welcome back to another episode of English with Adam. I am your host, Adam. Today is a very special day. We are talking about the future. Are you ready to learn English? We are talking about artificial intelligence.
Hello, Adam. Hello to our friends. I am Sarah. Today, we talk about AI. What is AI exactly, Adam?
That is a great question. AI means artificial intelligence. Think of a very smart computer. It can talk like a person.
Like a robot in movies?
Yes, exactly like that, Sarah. But it lives in your phone or it lives in your computer. It can help you learn English.
Wow. Can a robot help me? I am a bit shy. I make many mistakes, Adam.
That is the best part. The robot does not judge you. It is always very patient. It is more patient than me.
You are a great teacher, but I feel nervous with people. My English is still slow.
I understand that feeling, Sarah. When I worked at the cinema, I was shy. I saw many famous actors. I wanted to speak to them, but I was too afraid.
Oh, I remember my waitress job. I was afraid of the customers. I made many mistakes with orders. I spilled coffee on a man. It was a very bad day.
Wow, that sounds very scary, Sarah. If you had AI then, you could practice your English first. You could practice with the phone.
Can I talk to it?
Yes, you can talk to AI. You can ask for a coffee. You can ask for the bill. It will listen to you. It will correct your mistakes.
That is very cool, Adam. Does it cost much money?
Many AI tools are free. You just need a phone. You just need an internet connection. It is very easy to start.
I used AI for Milo yesterday. Milo is my cat, listeners. He is a very stubborn cat. He did not want to eat.
Oh no! Is Milo okay now? Did he eat his dinner?
Yes, I asked the AI. I asked for cat food tips. I wrote my question in English. The AI gave me a list.
That is amazing, Sarah. You practiced English and helped Milo. You are a very smart student.
Thank you, Adam. I felt very proud. I did not use a dictionary. I just wrote my simple sentences. The AI understood me perfectly.
This is the secret, Sarah. Use AI for your real life. Use it for your hobbies. Use it for your daily work.
But Adam, what about my pronunciation? Can the AI hear my sounds?
Yes, many AI tools have voices. They can speak to you. They can listen to you.
Wow! Can I hear its voice? Does it sound like a person?
Yes, it sounds very natural now. It can sound like a man. It can sound like a woman.
Can I choose the accent? I like the British accent.
Yes, you can choose many accents. You can practice any way.
This is great for my fluency. I can talk every morning. I can talk while I run.
But be careful, Sarah. Do not run into a tree.
I will be very careful. I will use my headphones.
AI can also help with writing. It can check your emails. It can check your homework.
I write many emails at work. I am always very worried. I look at every word twice.
Don't worry anymore, Sarah. Put your email into the AI. Ask, is this English correct?
Will it change my words? Will it make them better?
It will give you suggestions. It will fix your grammar. It's like a small editor.
That will save me much time. I can finish work early, then I can play with Milo.
Milo will be very happy. He likes his playtime.
Adam, is AI going to replace teachers? I do not want that.
No, don't worry about that. A teacher understands your heart. AI does not have a heart.
That is very true, Adam. You know when I am sad. You know when I am tired.
Exactly. AI is just a tool. It is a very good tool, but it is not a person.
I feel better now. I will use AI, but I will still come here.
I am very glad, Sarah. I would miss you too much.
We are a good team, Adam. You, me, and the AI.
Yes, we are the future of English. Let us take a break. We have some special idioms today.
I love learning new idioms. They make me sound natural. What is the first one?
Our first idiom is piece of cake.
Piece of cake. I love cake. Is it about eating, Adam?
No, it is not food. It means something is very easy.
Oh, like using my phone? My phone is a piece of cake.
Exactly. Learning with AI is a piece of cake. It's simple and fast.
I like that idiom. It is very sweet. What is the second one?
Our second idiom is break the ice.
Break the ice? Is it cold? Do I need a hammer?
No hammer today, Sarah. It means to start a conversation. It helps people feel relaxed.
Ah, so AI helps break the ice. I can practice speaking first, then I talk to real people.
Perfect. You use idioms very well.
Thank you. What is the last one?
Our third idiom is the best of both worlds.
The best of both worlds? That sounds like a dream.
It means you have two advantages. You have two good things together.
Hmm, give me an example, Adam.
You have a human teacher and you have an AI friend. You have the best of both worlds.
Oh, I see. I have you and I have my phone. I am very lucky then.
Yes, you are a lucky student. Everyone can be lucky now. AI is for everyone, Sarah. It is time for new dreams.
My dream is to speak fluently. I will use AI every day.
That is a great resolution, Sarah. You are the best. Well, it's time to go. We have a question for you.
Please answer in the comments.
How will you use AI today? Will you practice speaking or writing?
We want to see your plans. Tell us your English goals.
Please like the video today and subscribe to our channel. It helps us very much.
Time goes so fast with you. I had a wonderful time.
Me too. Thank you for coming. You are a great guest.
Thank you for having me, Adam. Goodbye to all our friends.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.